Hello everyone, this is Darrell Peavy and you are in the kitchen with Dee. I love to cook and I love to experiment while I'm in the kitchen. And let me tell you something, there's nothing wrong with experimenting when you're cooking or when you're making something. Because let me tell you something, if you can make something that other people like, you have just done a wonderful thing. And cooking, guess what? It may not be about other people. It might just be about what you like and your taste buds. But when you bring it before other people, then you have to see if they like it. So today, I'm going to do something simple, something traditional, something that you all know of, and that is I'm going to make chocolate milk. And you probably say, well, anybody can make chocolate milk. Yes, anybody can make chocolate milk, but I'm going to make chocolate milk in a way that you may not be used to. You may be used to making it with the syrup, but I'm going to use a different method to make chocolate milk. And the way I came up with this method is I was baking a cake. And the thought came up to me, I wonder how this tastes in milk. So I'm going to make chocolate milk using frosting today. Stay tuned. Okay, this is what I had to prep to get ready to make the chocolate milk. I have a tablespoon. I have a teaspoon. I have a mug. Then I have some whole milk. You can use whatever type of milk you like. Skim milk, it doesn't matter. Okay, 2% milk, 1% milk, doesn't matter. Almond milk, it doesn't matter. Okay, that's up to you. Then I have some Duncan Hines creamy chocolate buttercream frosting. Okay, and I have just a regular personal Toastmaster blender that I picked up from Dollar General. So it doesn't matter what kind of blender you use, but I'm just showing you what I have. Very simple process. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my tablespoon and my frosting. Now, the frosting that I had already added a little milk to it to thin it out. Okay, it's normally thicker than this. It's normally darker than this. But when I was making the cake earlier, I just added a little milk to it just to thin the frosting out because it was very thick. So now here I am. I'm going to take the tablespoon. Okay, and you can use whatever portion you like. All right, I'm going to put 3 nice helpings or nice tablespoons in the blender. Okay, here's 1. Okay. Now, I have the extra spoon to scoop the excess off, but I'm going to keep on going. All right, here we go. Remember, I said hefty portions. Now, here we go. We got 2. Again, you don't have to use the number of scoops that I'm using. That's up to you. All right. So here we go with the last one. That is 3. Okay. Now, I'm going to take the other spoon, the teaspoon, and I'm going to get the excess off. Okay. Like that. All right. Now, am I saying that that's a better way to do it? No, that's just the way I do it. I thought about using a measuring tablespoon scoop. Okay, that's what I thought about using, but I wanted to use a spoon. Okay, so now once you do that, then you take your milk. And I'm going to probably try to fill this milk up to 12 ounces. You can do however many ounces you want. I may go on up to 15 ounces. All right. Now, that's a good bit, right? Okay. So you can use as much milk as you're trying to make chocolate milk. Okay. I could have filled it on up. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put just a little bit more in here. Let me go ahead. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and finish this off. So you see here, that's about, to be honest with you, that's about 16 ounces. All right, now put the top back on it. I'm going to put the top back on it. And now watch this. I'm going to blend it. Now notice something. I'm gonna shake it, but don't break it. All right, so here we go. Now, if you'll notice, you'll see the chocolate on the side, so I'm trying to get the majority out of that. All right, so I'm gonna shake it one more time. You wanna make sure that the frosting is good and blended into the milk. Make sure it's good and blended. All right, so as you can see, the majority of the chocolate that was on the side of the blender cup has disappeared. Okay, so that means I've gotten a good blend, and I'm gonna do it one more time. All right, so there you go. So it's good and blended. Now watch this. Let me turn this, and I'm gonna take this and pour it in the cup. Oh man, y'all, let me tell you something. You all are going to, I don't know if you tried this before, like I said. You're getting ready to be in for a treat. And you're gonna take that. Watch this. Look at how good that looks. Looks like something you buy at the store, doesn't it? Ooh man. I'm telling you, you can have the milk cold. Look at it. You see it splashing just a little. Now, let me share something with you. All right. I'm about to do the taste test. Y'all, let me tell you something. There you go. Man, go ahead and drink the milk. Go ahead and drink the milk. But you know what? Cheers. This is some delicious stuff. This is Darrell Peavy in the kitchen with D, telling you, if you want some good chocolate milk, then you use frosting and you use whatever kind of milk you want. But I want to say one other thing before I go. Frostings come in different flavors. Try whatever flavor you like, strawberry, lemon, buttercream. But I guarantee you, when you add it to this milk like I just did, you're gonna be wow.